Hey guys, it's Mozzy. Thank you again for watching one of my videos. If you're new, I hope you enjoyed the show. For today's install, we're going to do something on the hood. And what's that going to be? Some ditch lights. That's right. I want some ditch lights to put on this vehicle. I finally got them. I ordered a pair from 400 Lifestyle. They're Cali raised 27 watts. That's what I picked. I wanted amber, but the only option I had was white. So let's have some fun and let's get it done. Sorry, it's a little dirty. So these are the tools that you'll need. The top ones are optional. The bottom ones is what you need. I have here a 3/8 ratchet with a deep socket, 12 millimeter, 2 wrenches, 13 millimeter each, zip ties to make the wires neat, and the dikes to cut the zip ties. This is the automatic wire stripper and a screwdriver for my aux beam because I'm going to cut the wires and put it in my aux beam. Here are the Cali raised low profile brackets. One says D on it and one says P on it. D for driver, P for passenger. So let's see how I do. So first we're going to do passenger side. I'm going to grab the one that says P on it, passenger. I'm going to put it this way. This is going to be the hood. It's going to be outside the hood. So I'm going to put it in just like that. I'm going to line it. I'm going to first take out this window washer fluid hose. Just take it out. Remove these 12 millimeter bolts one at a time. So this way the hood doesn't shift. If it does shift, I have to shift it back. Let's give it a try. This is easy. There's a clip right here. 2 plastic pieces. You push and you push it out. So we're going to put this out of the way. All right. So I'm going to remove the top one first. There we go. There's one that says passenger. Put it here. So I want to go maybe somewhere in the middle. So I'm going to do just a little tighter. Just a little bit. This one. Now let's see. The hood got out of alignment. They're nice and easy. Nice and slow. Oh, looks good. Gap is good. It's good here. It's good here. It doesn't look like it's touching anywhere. Now let's do the same thing for the driver's side. That's how it looks like. It's down here. Let's see, close this, make sure everything is good. Just one-handed. The hood's fine. It's good. Make sure the hood is not misaligned again. Okay. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good and looks good. These lights came like so in the box, nothing prepared. Some brackets and some screws. Brackets. So this bracket, doesn't matter which one you use, it can be put on this way. That, see? You could go the other way, this way, but now you have to mount it like to your bumper or something else. See how the angle changes? So you have to be sitting like that. This has to be straight. It's going to be sitting upwards. You can change the angle on these like that. The one is straight, so we got to go up. Yeah, go straight. So now here, see here, No, this one, but not as bad as I thought. A little cloth here so I don't mess up the paint. Get my bolt, put it underneath. All right, this on top. Okay, and now put this one on top. Both 13 meter. So I have one of these ratchet ones. So I'll put a 13 millimeter on the bottom and 13 millimeter on top. I'm just going to tighten up the screws here with the Allen key that came with the box. I'm going to wait till night to adjust the lights to my liking. Now, before we move forward, let me just make sure that the driver's side light is not making any contact with anything. So driver's side looks good. No contact. Now the passenger side looks good too. No contact. So there is a wiring kit that came with this setup. If you want to use it, that's fine. Battery, positive, negative. You have your relay switch right here. You have your physical switch that you run to the inside the cabin, on and off, through the firewall, and then you have your two connections right here, right, to the lights. What I'm going to do for this vehicle, so again, if you want to use this harness, that's fine. You connect to the lights, you zip tie it, then you run this wire, this on and off switch to the inside of the vehicle, or to any switch you want. You mount the relay somewhere, you connect positive to negative, right? And this is a 30 amp system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pretty much not use the switch, the battery connection, because I do have aux beam. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these wires, connect them, cut them somewhere around here, the length that I like, and connect them to my aux beam. So let's do it. All right, so I'm going to probably zip tie it all the way along there and then run this wire. Probably zip tie it to this so it doesn't move, and then run it just like so. Here, just like this. Nice and easy. So let's do that. All right, so I wired everything up. I ran the wires, I should say, to my aux beam panel. I'm going to connect it to 1 and 2. This is 1 and 2. I'm going to change these out to 15 amps because the system they came with is a 30 amp. It's a 30 amp for both. So split it to each is 15 each. So change these out to 15s. Connect this one to 1 and that pod to 2. This way I have control each one. Now let's test it out. First turn, put accessory mode. Alright, turn on this light right there. Nice. Now the other one, this one, should be right there. Nice. Guys, so here we go. I'm going to turn on the left one first. Not bad. Now the right one. I have to reposition the lights to go a little more forward, but that's what it looks like. That's how it looks like on the side. Fog lights. And then my high beams. Hey guys, so what do you think? I think they came out pretty good. Not too bad. Not too much time. It took me about 2 hours for everything. If you want to run the wires inside, no problem. I did a little extra work. Well, actually, I think it might be less work since I ran the wires to my aux beam and connected it right there. I think you need a lot less work. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you guys like it, like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Take care.